Hello all. I'm presenting you with a math tutoring app, MathSageAI, that helps students learn math on their own without anybody's help, with the help of AI. AI helps you learn the math, and here you can go through how it works. You have this is Socratic method, meaning it asks you questions until you arrive to answer. It's not going to answer you directly. So you submit a problem, analyze it, discover the methods and then get to a solution and verify it with AI. So let's get here and navigating through the UI. You have here save sessions for that, for which you need to sign in. So you sign in. I already created an account. You need a working email that you can verify to be able to sign up. So I have used my Gmail here. So this is my history that I try to learn with. So here are some example problems. I'm gonna pick an easy solution to demonstrate for let's how to show how it works for a low-level math learning. This is a linear equation not to solve. We want to isolate for x. So what could we do to move the 5 from left to the right? So I don't know, right? I'm gonna guess and say add 5 on both sides. Now, the AI doesn't get angry when I give wrong answers, unlike your math teacher, right? This is extremely patient math teacher. So you see, I see where your thought process is going. When we have an equation and we want to get rid of a term, we usually do the opposite operation. So we have plus 5. So you want to do what? Still not giving you the answer, but it's telling you the opposite of what plus is. So I'm gonna say let's subtract. Yes, what would the equation look like after subtracting 5 from both sides? It gives you that 2x is 8. So from that, you can solve for x is equal to 4, and you will arrive at that by explaining, you have 2 times of x, so you got to divide and all. So it will take you that. You can ask for a hint. It will come up with a hint for you and take you to the solution. So that's the okay. How could we use division to isolate x? We have to divide x with 2 and 8 with 2. We get answer x is equals to 4. So that's how you arrive to a solution. So now I'm going to demonstrate to you the coolest of feature. Let's pick a geometry problem. Okay. Here you have shapes and different colors that you can choose. This is a regular canvas whiteboard, and you have grid and an expression. Okay, find the area of a circle. Okay, all right, let's explore this together. Okay, see, it is explaining me the relationship between radius and area. It is trying to make me understand that radius is squared uh, to get area relationship with a constant. Of course, you will arrive there after a few iterations, right? Let's say uh, square doubling radius quadrupled area. So that means it's square. So it will help you to arrive with the constant of pi, right? And let's find out and there what do you expect to see in compared areas. What do you expect to see? So area quadrupled. So what's so double the original radius, area quadrupled. That so for that what you have to do is square. So it's taking you to the answer. It's letting you tell the square. It's not telling you to square it. Okay. So doing wonderfully by the way. Keep going. Okay. Absolutely fantastic. So it's very encouraging. It lets you do that. So that's how you learn geometry. We'll add more shapes as needed. I'm gonna show you a more complex, a slightly more complex, a medium complexity quadratic expression. So let's take the whiteboard for this one too, and let's take Cartesian plane, slightly advanced math. And I'll pick an algebraic equation, and I would ask plot this curve on the whiteboard. Okay, I have asked it to plot. That should work. Okay, let's see what it comes up. Whether it's gonna plot for us or ask us more questions before plotting. It's not set in stone. Okay. Okay. Uh, I plot this on the. It's asking me more questions, so I want to see how it plots. Plot this on the whiteboard for me to solve the problem. See how it's so that's the parabola it plotted. The roots of this expression are, you know, 1 and 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Substitute x with 2. 4 minus 10 is minus 4 minus 6 plus 6 equal to 0. That's the root. Similarly for 3. So those are the roots. That's how you arrive to a solution. You could also solve it multiple ways. Plotting is the most easiest of all. So that's one. It just helps you, plotting helps you understand it. But you don't have to stick it. You also have a number line to play with, linear lengths of the lines and all. You can clear everything and ask something else, right? Plot two circles demonstrating the relationship between radius and area. It's switching the context. I'm not sure how well it receives. If I was leading the discussion, let's guide back to you. What is the significance of the class? So we are. It doesn't. It's not letting you switch until you solve this problem. So for that, what you do, you just go back. Like you will switch eventually, but you have to be patient here. So instead, you could just do a new chart and go to workspace and create it all. Go to geometry, plot two circles to demonstrate relation between area and radius. So that's the whiteboard you have. While it draws, you can also draw. You can take a pen, you know, so you can draw your own shapes. It also draws something. You can draw on top of it. Yeah. So that's a functionality we got. You could also have a grid. You can have that draw on grid. You can clear all of it and draw it again. All of that conversation is saved, and you can sign out and sign in again, sign in back. You would still find all your conversations. It's all saved on the AWS DynamoDB, S3, all the images as well. I'm gonna show you. You could also upload images for parsing. So, for example, I'll show you. So this is what we just played with for circles and all. Just 2 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago. So I can continue here and upload a picture. Open. So okay. So yes, look how it parsed that into a proper expression, so that it can do. It's confused. It doesn't know what to do. It's unsolvable. But yes, you could upload a proper equation and it would solve. Uh, that is all I have today for today. We'll add more features, learning tracks for different difficulty levels, and we'll get back to you on that. Thank you.